Hi guys, I'm Chef Pooja Dhingra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you my 5 ingredient ghee jaggery cookies. So this recipe actually I was working on a lot during lockdown when I was baking from my home kitchen, and access to ingredients was very limited. So I wanted to do things that were easily available in my home pantry and that were delicious, and this is what I came up with. I'm sure you'll have everything in your kitchen. You can play around with it, you can make some replacements and flavors, but your base of ghee, you can replace the jaggery with sugar if you want, and flour remains the same. Let's start. So I'm going to start with my ghee and jaggery in a bowl. This is jaggery powder. Okay, it goes in. Mix it. I'm going to mix it nicely for about a minute or so. Add a little bit of salt to this. And when it reaches this consistency, I'm going to add my flour in. I'm going to add half first. Mix it gently. It's ready in like 5 minutes. Very simple. So you can replace the ghee with butter, you can replace the jaggery with sugar, but the flakiness of this combination is just... And now I'm going to go in with my hands. Just fold this in. It's really nice and soft. And now I'm going to add some sesame. White sesame. It'll give it a nice crunch. The texture will be great and it'll look beautiful. Okay, that's it. We're done. We're going to rest this in the fridge for about 15 minutes and then we're going to roll it out and bake it. I'm going to shape this now and we're going to stick it in the oven. Once we shape them, they go in the oven at 165 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Let's go. These look really good. I can see little jaggery bits, little sesame on it. It's quite a crumbly cookie. Okay, this is done. This is great. These are a little bit softer if you want them crispy, crunchy. Bake them a little bit longer. The texture is great and you can play around with the flavors and make them your own. Enjoy!